Well, just went to the store and bought some stuff for the motorhome. I've been wanting a good toolbox to get real organized to take with me. And I found this one. This one is awesome. Check this out. Has drawers. They lock when the lid is down. And the reason I wanted that was, look, here's my old toolbox. Let's see if I can even get it open. Look at this. Every time I wanted to work on something, I have to dig through all that to find what I want. It takes me longer to find what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to put all drawers of sockets, drawers of wrenches. Try to be a little more organized. Also bought this little tool today to add to my air tools. I'm going to use it to clean out my burners on my hot water heater, furnace, and the fridge. Psh, 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 psh. So cool. I really like this though. So check out my toolbox. It's a lot more organized than what it used to be. Screwdrivers, odds and ends, sockets, wrenches, and then pliers and that sort of stuff. I love this thing, man. It's my new RV toolbox. Sweet.